What's up, the inspirational gang? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be talking or going in depth on some of the products that I am using when I am doing my makeup. So if you're interested in seeing the products that I am using, please stay tuned. Okay guys, when you're doing your makeup, you should consider a list of items that can be obtained at any local beauty supply store within your area at very low prices. You don't have to do expensive makeup to achieve a very flawless look. You can purchase very cheap makeup items and also obtain a very satisfying look, guys. So I'm going to outline some of the products that I am using, right? And firstly, I'm going to show you guys one of my palettes, or a few of my palettes. This is a 32 color palette. Consists of 32 colors that you can choose to put on your eyelid. I have an Joy to the Eyes Cosmetics palette. I think this has 37 colors. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. 35. This is a face highly definition matte press powder palette. Right. I have some more palettes inside that I'm interested in showing you guys. This is a LA color 18 color eyeshadow palette. So it's okay for you guys to have as much palette as possible. This is another palette. Consists of 3 colors. This is a glitter palette. It's another palette. This is a highlighter. Right? I haven't tried that one as yet. This is a eyeshadow palette also. This is a LA Colors Invite only 20 color eyeshadow palette. So as I said before, it is okay for you to have as many palettes as possible if you can afford. Yes, guys, can afford it. Secondly, guys, you should ensure that you have lip gloss. This is a clear lip gloss for about $200. This is a LA color holographic lip gloss. It's another LA colors holographic lip gloss. And I'm not going in any specific order, so next thing, guys, you should ensure that you have eyebrow pencils, right? I have eyebrow pencil in dark shades, black, I have it in brown, and so on. So you should ensure that you have enough eyebrow pencils. These two are available at any local beauty supply store. I think you can get one of these for like about $50 or so. So you should ensure that you have these. What number am I? I'm at, I think I'm at number 4. Right? Brushes. Brushes are very important to have. Yes, you're going to need a lot of brushes. Yes, to apply your eyeshadow, to blend out your foundation. If you need it to apply your highlighting and contouring products, you can use brushes, you know, any brush of your choice. You can obtain these at any store, local beauty supply store, at very low cost for about 1500 or so, depending on where you go. So brushes are very important, guys. Next thing, you're going to need concealer. Now concealer plays a very important part when doing makeup application. You can use a concealer to do your lip. You're going to see how I use a concealer to do my lip in my makeup tutorial on how I achieve this look. I use a concealer, so they are important. You can use concealer in the form of a foundation. That's what I'm using. You can use concealer to do highlighting. You can use concealer to do contouring, and concealer comes in different shade. So if you do not know what shade concealer is your skin tone, you can ask one of those sales rep working in that area, and they will advise you on what shade you should use. So concealer is very important, guys. Okay, moving on. You're going to need lashes. I'm out of lashes at the moment, but I'll be restocking soon. Lashes are important. Without lashes, I think you won't have a finished look, and it's okay to have lashes different sizes, different length, because you know some looks you don't want a very long eyelash, while other look you're going to need probably a short eyelash like what I'm wearing to bring off that look. So it's okay to have as much or as many eyelash as possible, guys, in your kit. Okay, primer is very important. You use your primer before you start doing any makeup, adding any makeup to your face, right? I'm going to do another video outlining the importance of each makeup items and what role they play. Okay, now I use ear glue to add my lashes. For me, it holds the lash very firmly for a longer period, and it's just basically my preference, because sometimes I don't even have the lash glue around, so I just use my ear glue and it works well for me. It's okay, guys, for you to have eyebrow shapers. Sometimes your eyebrow that does not apply for me, because I don't have eyebrow. I basically have to draw my eyebrow when doing a tutorial. So for you guys that have bushy eyebrows that tends to grow very often, it is very recommended, or it is recommendable, that you have these in your makeup kit. This is a lash applicator. Honestly, I don't know how to use these. I have not practiced how to use these. I just use my bare hand and put on my lashes, but eventually I'll work myself in using them. I have this contouring palette, highlighting and contouring palette, guys. It is very, very useful. I love it, and I use it when I did this tutorial and look at the finished product. I'm very, very satisfied, guys. Very satisfied. So you can consider having those as well. Prisma face powder. This is a number 90 face powder. It says powder foundation total network net WT is 035 OZ 10 gram. You understand? So you can have one of these if you wish in your makeup kit. So another eye shaper. Eye shaper. Well, dramatic. This is a lash adhesive, guys. I have your glitter and primer set. In my recent video, I uploaded a video, I think 2 days ago, about pink glitter cut crease. This is what I use on the cut crease area. Lipstick. I don't really use that lipstick still. Guys, guess what? This is a setting spray. It is very important for you guys to have this, in your makeup kit. Last but not least, guys, if you are not a fan of brushes, you can consider beauty blenders, right? I have them in different shapes. You can obtain a pack of these for like $100. They are very useful. Different colors, different size. So you can consider these, guys. You can consider these to be a part of your makeup kit. So that's about it, guys. I trust and I hope that you guys have learned something from my video, and also be aware of the different essentials that you will need when you are doing makeup application. Until next time, guys, thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and also hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload a new content on my channel. Thank you so much. Remember that you should pray always, forgive, and put God first. Bye.